Hello and welcome. Today we'll be submitting the required supplementary materials that relate to the audition and interview process for the Royal Conservatoire of Scotland. This will be done using the online platform Accepted. Depending on the course you're applying to, you may be uploading audition recordings, videos, photos, portfolio material, short film work, proposals, presentations, or responses to predefined tasks. Each course may also have some additional questions within the accepted application. Remember that if you're applying to more than one RCS course, you'll need to complete an application on Accepted for each course. You should already have applied to the course via UCAS Conservatoires before doing this. We're going to start by creating an account. Navigate to app.getaccepted.com/RCS. Please note the spelling of accepted, where there is an E missing from the end. On this page, we can click Login at the top right, and we can sign up for an account. If you already have an account, you can log in here, but we're going to sign up for a new account. A number of countries have been separated out at the top by accepted due to the high volume of registered accepted users in these countries. These countries are the US, Canada, the United Kingdom, and China. So you won't find these countries by searching alphabetically. Then you can select some interests. This part is optional. You can use this information to create a discoverable profile so that you can hear about relevant programs and opportunities. Please read the terms of use and privacy policy, and if you agree, you can tick this box. Then create the account. Once you've received your email and verified your account, you'll be able to click here to log in using the email address and password you've just created. Now that we've created an account, we can apply for a course at the RCS. The easiest way to do this is to go to the address bar and once again type in rcs.getaccepted, remembering to leave out the e.com. And now we can apply to a course. Today we're going to be applying for the BMAs in piano. I recommend that you first select from the area list. In this case we are choosing music, followed by the degree. Here we will choose BMAs performance. There are several pathways in the BMAs, so if you are a composer, a jazz musician, traditional musician, including a separate option for piping, or you are doing a joint principal study, there are separate options for each of those. Then we will choose the program. When it comes to music, this is where you will choose your instrument. Whatever area you are studying, when you select a program, the submission requirements will appear in the main body of the page. You can then click either of the green buttons to begin the application. Some of this information will already be filled out from earlier, and the questions may be different depending on the course you have applied for. If you are not sure about your funding status, please enter your best guess or understanding and move to the next section. If you are asked to choose between UCAS Conservatoires and International Audition, please only select UCAS Conservatoires as we are not holding international auditions this year. Then enter your UCAS Conservatoires ID number. Here you can choose how you'll upload your videos. You can either upload them directly to Accepted or upload to YouTube or another service and provide a link. If you choose to upload them directly, you'll be able to attach them here. If you provide a URL from YouTube or a similar platform, you'll be able to paste them in here. Please make sure your URL does not have an expiry date. For example, the free version of WeTransfer has a limit of 7 days. If you have a mixture of both kinds of videos, you can upload some and provide links to others. The final stage is a preview where you can verify all of your information. Please read this carefully before you submit. You cannot make changes to the application once you have submitted it. You can also save it as a draft and come back to it later, but please make sure you do submit, as we cannot review your submissions if you do not. If you find there's a critical change to be made to your application, please email us at admissions@rcs.ac.uk to discuss this. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email us at hello@rcs.ac.uk. Thank you.